I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Brainly app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on profile down here. When just click here on profile, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on notifications, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. Then you come here to approve it answers here. Just click in this sign here or this color. The like you see color it's gone. That's me approve it answers notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.